Hey guys, it's Dave here. Little Garrison's. I'm thinking this is probably reading backwards. This is Dirty Old Town. Do you remember the Pogues? I remember the Pogues. Best band ever. Dirty Old Town. This is a Garrison, it's an IPA. It's a black IPA from Halifax. Nova Piper, I'm sorry that you can't enjoy this. I know you would have if you had the opportunity. You probably did. Garrison's been around since '97. So, we got ourselves a very black IPA. I had one last night. It's got chocolate notes. It's very hoppy. It's probably a 56, I would say, maybe more. It reminds me spruce. It's got a little bit of a spruce note to it. Creamy. Oh, it's good. I'm going to have it with some Lord of the Manor, English. Nova Piper, you'd be proud of me. I'm having an English. This has got Virginia, Burley, Latakia. It's got it all. Perique. Virginia's, Latakia, Perique, Burley. Got this one from Gribbly. Kind of savoring it. Let's say it's Sutliff's, Lord of the Manor. Need a haircut. You sure do hear the Latakia notes. Yeah. I'd almost say oh, it's got Orientals as well. It's got it all. It's a kitchen sink blend, I think. I like it. Not getting the Virginias at all. But how does it pair with my Dirty Old Town? Oh, it's like bread and butter. The bitterness from the beer and the smokiness from the Latakia kind of work well together. Then you get that nutty flavor from the Burley. It goes good with beer, and it goes really well with coffee too, I bet. Haven't tried this one with coffee. So anyway, I just finished, God, I got so many projects on the go tonight. Like my coat, Disney Cruise Line. Did some cold smoked cheese this morning. I'm making ketchup, but I'm making 17th century or 18th century ketchup using mushrooms. I just finished barbecuing a bunch of chicken. I took today off. Didn't know what to do with my... I even had a nap. Oh my God, I had a nap. Didn't stop my phone from ringing, but still. I wasn't in the office. I just said to my wife, I said, you should come outside. It's nice out. She came out and went back and it was cloudy and chilly. So I put a coat on, put a sweater on. No, it's May. It's like, Jesus. I spend more time in an office with no windows than... People in solitary confinement get more daylight in the hours of the day than I get in my office. So once the weather is turned, I'm outside, and I'm always outside. This is good. This Lord of the Manor. It's a good English. Tim, you'd like this one. Now that it's going, the Latakia is still up front. Burley comes in a strong second to me. Little on the retro here, you get that spiciness from the Perique. I am not catching the Virginias or the Orientals, but it's mostly because my palate's not that well trained. A lot of you fellas out there, you've got the palate. You'll pick them out. But there's no missing Latakia. It reminds me of my barbecue. I love my barbecue. Anyways, I'm going to finish this beer and this pipe, and you guys have a great night. See ya.